Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So I'm back after some time, and today video is very important and very dangerous because in this tutorial we will learn about an application, Android application through which you can do anything you want to do with your friend, your boyfriend, girlfriend, your cousin, your brother, sister, mother, father. You can trace, you can track, you can receive, you can send, and you can read all their WhatsApp text messages, their live location, their calls, and each and everything with this application which I am gonna share with you. So before that, I suggest you to subscribe my channel for latest hacking videos. So let's go to the application, and the name of application is this one, mobile tracker free. You have to go to this website. Okay, first of all you have to register here. By clicking here, you have to give it your email, then password, agree and create your account. If you already a member, you have to log in here. I'm not doing all these things on my personal laptop. I will do it later on a secure mobile and laptop. Well, here's the feature of this application which I would like to discuss with you. Monitor your phone. Mobile application. Best thing is it is free. It is free, absolutely free, absolutely free. You don't have to do anything or pay any other application. Okay, so first of all, you can read all SMS and MMS sent or received by the user of the phone. Okay, here's another important feature: incoming, outgoing, missed call, their duration, date and time they took call, when was call received, how long it was, GPS locations, pictures taken, images received by the users, instant messaging, incoming and out, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can even check all those messages. You just have to download this application to the victim mobile, not your mobile, on victim mobile. You can also access messages from Skype, Hangout, Link, Telegram without the phone being rooted. Rooted is or jailbreak is the illegal way, and sometimes it is very difficult, but this application make it easier. So you have to try it. Remote control, you can fully control the phone, delete data, make it vibrate, ring, take a picture. This is another amazing tool, another amazing feature of this application: live viewing. I was searching a lot about spy application and find few applications with only this feature, live viewing, and one application for just which give you access only remote control, another application just for instant messaging. But this application combine all those features in one application. That is the best thing I ever searched or find out. File manager, scheduled restrictions, blog applications, websites, calendars. Another important thing, you can copy or you can see the contact list, address book. That is another good thing. Analysis will know where it is going to which game is placed. Analysis tool. If you are tracking this for your children, you can do all these things. You can try this to anyone. This is the best application. So installation guide. Once you are logging, then there will be a option of download application. Then you have to download application to the victim mobile, not your mobile. First, let me tell you these steps. First of all, you have to go to this website, mobile tracker fee. Then you have to do another thing, which is register yourself on website. Create an account there, register yourself, then hold your victim mobile and download this app from website, then install it in her or his mobile. Forget about the spells. Okay, so after it installing, you have to log in the application which is already downloaded in the mobile. Log in the application with the same credentials you created with your email address. Okay, now login in the application. After login, you have to give all the permissions of that application to access or capture all the data, like camera, contacts, calendar, etc. You have to check all of those options and then allow that application to access. And after that, you have to do one important thing. You have to go to your when it is installed in account, you have to when it is installed in mobile, you have to go to Gmail account of that mobile. Then there will be an option of play protect apps. You have to uncheck that option. Uncheck play protect apps option, then install it and use it for how long you want to use it. I will create another video, detailed video of it's live working. Then I will show you how it works and how it's going to be a game changer application you ever find out on YouTube or on internet. I will make that video soon. So until then, take care, subscribe and take care, bye.